there, Rob Parker from Peach Software. Today I just want to give you an intro video about 3 minutes of your time to explain to you why inventory control software is so important to your business. It's going to be a quick video with some food for thought about what you're doing at the moment with your software and what you can do to improve your business. Some of these things are going to be very obvious, things that you've thought about, some things that you've thought about but you haven't been able to achieve. So, to start off, let's talk about pricing for a moment. If you get your pricing right, if your pricing is flexible enough, it means that you can give customized pricing to all your customers. Also, you can give customized pricing to groups of customers. And this means that when you send your invoices out, they're not going to have pricing mistakes on them. It's not going to take you ages to work out the pricing for a particular customer. You can put specials on your system. You can have a start and a finish date. You can have promotional pricing. You can even automate your pricing, your list pricing and your trade pricing, etc., from pricing schedules, so that when goods come in or when a supplier has a price update, your selling prices automatically update. Now let's talk about alternate parts. You might have one product from multiple suppliers. Each time you get those products, they're going to have a different packaging, they're going to have a different barcode, going to have a different part number. But you sell them all as the same thing, such as, let's say, a cable tie, a roll of PVC tape. So Peach can help handle those products. You can have multiple barcodes per part number. Multiple part numbers can lead back to one part number. And you don't have to have all those parts in your stock file. You can just have a pseudo part number for each of those identities for a single part number. And then you have alternate part numbers. And this is where you've got two products and you want to sell them as two separate products. However, they substitute for the same purpose. So when you search for one and bring up one, it'll show you both options and you can give those options to your customer. One might not be in stock, so it automatically brings up the other one to show that I don't have this one, but I can offer you that one. So all these things help with your sales. And then there's kitting, where you want to have multiple part numbers come and make one part number and sell it as that part number. These kits can be altered on the fly, or they can be set up and just sold individually. You can build the kits and put them on the shelf if you like, or they can be built automatically. Barcode scanning. Barcode scanning is so important to your business. You should be able to barcode scan, you should be able to scan products coming in, you should be able to scan products by doing a stock take, you should be able to scan and move products from one location to another, and then you should be able to scan them to the invoice or at the point of sale. So that way there's no mistaking what the part number is. That's very common. You'd have a junior person booking in stock. So with a barcode scanner you can book in stock not only faster but more accurately, so there's less mistakes. And you can scan straight out of the box, so you don't have to pile each part number up in piles and then count them down and then mark them off on a packing slip. Just scan them as they come out of the box and bang, your goods are packed in, your goods are received, and you can start selling them and it's accurate. Supplier price files. This is an important factor. You've probably got 30 or 40 suppliers and they're always giving you either price updates or product updates, more products, specials, bonuses. You can bring all that into Peach Software. You can import it straight from an Excel spreadsheet. You can import it straight into your system. You can leave it in the supplier file, which you can have millions of part numbers, or you can put it in your active product file. You can put it in the supplier file and then update your active product file with the information from that supplier's file. So no limit to all the parts that you can put into the system, and they're available to you at the point of sale or at the point the customer gets on the phone and asks you for a part number and a price. Emailing, such an important factor these days. You can just do an invoice and it'll just email that invoice to the customer automatically. You can also email all your statements. You can email a bunch of invoices to a customer at the end of the month if that's what they want. This is all automated for you. And you can even email a reminder. So you can say to the system, show me all the customers who have got invoices in 45 plus days, and write a little email, push the button, and it'll email all those customers for you, reminding them, sorry, to pay the bill and give you some money. So it'll improve your cash flow as well. Reorder levels. Reorder levels are so important to get your stock right. If they're not right, you'll either run out of stock and you'll miss out on sales, or if you're getting too much stock, it'll tie up your cash flow and stock will get old and it'll become unsaleable. So it's so important. Our reorder level algorithms are quite complex, and it'll make sure that your stock is right all the way. Push a button and you can refresh your min-max levels based on your sales history. So it's as easy as that. So what we specialise in is any business with inventory. So automotive parts, hardware, fishing tackle. You can have industrial products such as bearings and fasteners. All those products where you might have 50 or 60,000 line items, and you've got supplier files with hundreds of thousands of line items. You can have all those in Peach and all available at your fingertips, and you can maintain them all so easily. You can import all those products so easily straight from an Excel spreadsheet. So just give us a few minutes of your time each time I send the video, and then perhaps one day you'll give us a call and we'll talk about Peach software for your business. Thanks for watching.